Hi everyone, back with me again in this channel. Just like usual, don't forget to like, to share, and to subscribe. An article by Reuters Communication Inc. said on Sunday it will invest $10 billion Canada or $7.74 billion US over the next 3 years in artificial intelligence or AI, and more testing and oversight this week after the company reported network issues that caused widespread disruptions across the country. Chief Executive Officer Tony Stavery said the Canadian telecom operator has made progress on a formal agreement between carriers to switch 911 calls to each other's networks automatically, even in the event of an outage in any carrier's networks. I believe this is the only responsible way forward, and I am personally committed to making it possible for all Canadians, Stavery said in a letter on Sunday. Stavery said that the company is physically separating wireless and internet service to create an always-on network to help make sure the customers don't experience an outage with both cellular and internet service again. Earlier this month, the operator that has about 10 million wireless subscribers and 2.225 million retail internet subscribers suffered a glitch that lasted nearly 19 hours, disrupting service from flights to banking and emergency 911 calls. The Canadian government has also ordered a probe and demanded telecoms companies agree within 60 days to develop communication protocols to keep people better informed. $1, same with $1.291 for Canadian dollars. While in the other side, US stock futures were mixed during Sunday's evening deals, following a positive week among major US indices as market participants prepare for the busiest week of corporate earnings, while further interest rate hikes are expected at Wednesday's Federal Reserve interest rate decisions. Ahead in a week, the Federal Reserve is widely expected to deliver 75 basis point hike after concluding its two-day policy meeting on Wednesday. Additionally, major companies including Apple Inc., Microsoft Corporation, Amazon Inc., Alphabet Inc., Meta Platforms, Boeing Company, Forward Industries, and Intel Corporation are slated to publish their quarterly results. Senior UN officials said the deal was expected to be fully operational in a few weeks and would restore grain shipments from the three reopened ports to pre-war levels of 5 million tons a month. Safe passage into and out of the ports would be guaranteed in what one official called a de facto ceasefire for the ships and facilities covered. They said, although the word ceasefire was not in the agreement text. Today there is a beacon on the Black Sea, a beacon of hope, possibility, and relief in a world that needs it more than ever, UN Secretary General Antonio Guterres said. While in the other side, Stavery said that the company is physically separating wireless and internet service to create an always-on network to help make sure the customers don't experience an outage with both cellular and internet service again. Earlier this month, the operator that has about 10 million wireless subscribers and 2.25 million retail internet subscribers suffered a glitch that lasted nearly 19 hours, disrupting service from flights to banking and emergency 911 calls. The Canadian government has also ordered a probe and demanded telecoms companies agree within 60 days to develop communications protocols to keep people better informed. $1, same with 1.2914 Canadian dollars. So guys, maybe that's all from me in this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, to share, and to subscribe. And see you till next time.